Curious what you're cooking up.
I think I'm just gonna check up on...
We think your ideas suck! Isn't it obvious? We wanted to bait you into testing your new ideas on us so we can make fun of them behind your back.
That's not true.
Yes, it is! You're a horrible host! You don't care about us at all! More about stroking your own ego than giving us anything we'd actually enjoy!
Do you know who I am?
Yeah, you're a failure!
Failure!
Abstract someday, and what will you have then? Nothing.
And this whole stunt? Just torturing us because we hurt your feelings? Pathetic! A child! A powerful being has such a fragile ego! You never let us feel like we're at home. You don't comfort anyone when they're upset, and you never bother to understand what it's like in our shoes!
Discourage us from thinking outside the box and doing things our own way!
You lie to us constantly!
And on top of it all, you just don't listen!
I cannot put you freaks in your place!